Hi traders, this is Forex Nelson and I'm back again today with only two trades. I did futures, indices. I did the gold and the DAX 30, and I know that these two will produce well enough for me today. Now today's date is March the 17th and I'm using my new Super Sniper trading system. This one here is very similar to the Easy Trader with the super signal indicator. Keep in mind that these arrows is part of the Easy Trader system, and I just added it about 4 months after to make my Super Sniper a better trading system. Now it does come with this awesome oscillator that has audio sounds, pop-up alerts suggesting whether you should be buying or selling. And of course I added the super signal indicator, which also gives signals for buying and or selling. Please keep in mind there's 4 things you need to succeed at trading. You need a lot of chart time. You need a lot of demo trading. You need a lot of education. I provide the education if you need it. And of course you need a daily trade plan. Now you should be getting your hands on more education every 2 or 3 months if you want to succeed at trading. Now what I really love about this super signal indicator, it really helps to find the beginning of the up and down cycles within the market, as you can clearly see by this goal line. And this is great for traders, especially if you like to scalp, whether you're on the 15-minute or the 5-minute time frame. Now every morning, 6 o'clock, right where this vertical line is, I'm in front of the computer looking at all the different instruments and of course taking a look at my daily trade plan. And then I manually put in this up arrow and of course this vertical line. If the arrow is obviously up if I'm wishing to buy. Okay, and now we can take a look at the trade plan. I took a screenshot of it this morning earlier. Here it is here. Could have traded other trades, but I know with this DAX 30 doesn't have to make a very big move to produce some good ticks. So on this gold and DAX, they were both preferreds, one buy, the gold, the other one was a sell. Now my mentor told me many years ago, most traders do not have any kind of a trade plan. Doesn't have to be this one, but you have to have something suggesting the different time frames and whether you should be buying and or selling. Up we're buying, down we're selling. So now we can, if you have any questions at all about anything, just get in contact with me, and all my contact information is right below this video in the description. So on this gold first trade, gold does pay, and if I would have stayed in the trade I would have made 3 times more, but my goal is, I'm trying to get 200 or more pips and ticks per day. Looking at this total, and since it pays $10 for each one, well, this should be 20. So it should be 20 from here to here. Wonder what it, up to the top here is around 80. But this should be 20. There it is right there. The real number should be 20.7, and we'll just go with the 20 times the money in the lots paid out $2,070. Please keep in mind that the Super Sniper works on the MT4 platform, and you can put it on as many accounts. Demo, I recommend demo until you get good at trading. It can be demo, can be live, multiple accounts. And of course, you can trade anything that your broker offers you within, if you can get it in the Market Watch and open up a chart. I like Japanese candles, then you can use the Super Sniper trading system. So moving on to the last trade here, happens to be the DAX 30. Now this one pays $3.75 for each tick. Let's see where I got in at. Now I dropped it down to the 5 minutes so I can get some kind of a reading. And if I would have stayed in the trade, I would have made about 3 times more. Just to let you know, this DAX 30 is a real winner. But just as easy as it can give you a lot, if you're on the wrong side of the trade, well, you're going to lose a lot. That is why it's very important that you have trade management in order and money management in order. So on this DAX 30, I took the money, used a calculator, and the calculator states that it should be 555 ticks. So from this cursor where I got in and I closed out, as I said, it's 555. Well, unfortunately, that's as close as I'm going to be able to get unless I drop it down to the 1 minute. But anyhow, that's what the calculator says. 555 times the money. And all of those ticks ended up paying out $20,812. So another great day of trading. Great way to end the week. I just added up all the pips and the ticks and I knew it was going to be well over 200. Grand total came out to be, well, they were all ticks. It's 575 ticks, and all of those ticks paid out $22,882. So if your system's not producing, like the Super Sniper, I recommend you get your hands on it and don't forget about the daily trade plan, something that you really should have. So if you have any questions or if you're interested in anything whatsoever, all you got to do is look right below this video. In the description, just click on the show more, I believe it is, and you will get my contact information. You can actually pick up the phone, call me directly, and or if you live too far, you can send me an email. Now I really do prefer Skype, and through Skype screen sharing, I'll give you a free session, answer your questions, give you some tips and tricks. Keep in mind I do all of that with no obligation to you. Also, if you look in the description, you'll see a total of 4 different packages. I recommend you get all 4 packages. Now I do charge $250 for each package, and of course I have a special running that if you buy any 2, I'll give you 1 of the other 2 packages for free. So, time to wrap up this video. And of course, if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. So, until the next video, I want to wish you good luck with your trading and remember to keep yourself and your family safe. Okay? Bye for now.